the second 6 weeks and the first just-in-time learning. This is new, and we will have it every 6 weeks to help you with your planning, and I think you're really going to enjoy this feature of what we're bringing to you. So let's just take a look at what I've chosen to do with you this time. Usually we always have revised documents in ELAR, so I wanted to show you this great one. Last year we brought to you the resource page where you didn't have to go click on each particular standard to find the resources you needed. We made that page for you as Adobe PDF. We've made it a little bit clearer and easier to navigate this year. You're going to take a look, it's on your screen. It looks basically like the one that we had last year, but we changed the navigation and doing some different things. So let's take a look at it. Here are your focus lesson resources that you have, and what we've done is not just list that resource, but broken it down into on the writer's 2 best friends. Here's the lesson suggestion, and then this is the poster. If you only wanted the poster, you would then just go to page 5. We also have it in English and Spanish. When the only time it's in Spanish is when it is used with students, because my SLAR folks, you're going to use the English directions, but then we have the resources for you in Spanish. Over here is when we introduce into a unit. We have the different things. If it's new, its initial introduction to that grade level will tell you if it's new. If it's an extend, it's a review. You've had it in the previous grade. The children have had it in the previous grade, and you are just reviewing it and seeing what they know about it. An extend is a more complex or sophisticated application. Alright, so let's say, how do I figure out what I'm doing? Let's pretend that I want to, I'm going to introduce the 3-box plan to these children. And so I want to just want to plan my work right now. So I'm going to go down to 66. There's 2 ways to navigate. I can go up here to my toolbar, put in 66, hit enter, and it takes me right to that specific place that I need to in my document. Then I can scroll back up to the very top of that document to get back to it. Now the second way that you can navigate this document, which is a lot better way, is you're going to notice these little icons off to the left when you open up your document. This is a little handy dandy bookmark. So when you click on this icon, you're going to see that it opens up a whole menu of this whole document. So here's the table of contents, and then underneath it, here are the different parts of each one. Here's a writer's 2 best friends, but here's the parts of how and why the lesson. Here's the poster in English, the poster in Spanish. So if I only wanted to go to the poster in Spanish, I'd click on it. There it is. So then I click back up here, and sometimes that doesn't work, and you have to take your scroll bar to the right and scroll back up, and then click on that. Alright, let's take a look at something that might be a little bit newer. Let me make it where you can see a little bit of all the pieces of it. There we go. Alright, one of the things I want to show you that is new, or it's not new, but it's a document that we have just put in here, is the great thing is that in here you're going to notice that we have samples of the stages of writing so that you can use those in your writing workshop. Here they are in Spanish, so that's a great thing. Then let me get down here. Here is your English word study. So it's going to show you your lessons in English word study. So if you click on it, your 2nd grade English word study is right there. And so then if you want your sight words, you click there. There's your sight words. So you click on that. This is one thing that I really want to show you is my personal dictionary. We've talked a little bit with you about my personal dictionary, but we've included it in this year, that the children would have their personal dictionaries to use. We have it in English, and then we also have it in Spanish. Here's the Spanish version. So I'm thinking that you're really going to enjoy this particular document. I hope it's going to be helpful to you in your planning for learning. Let's just make it smaller just a little bit. Make that. So, in your planning for learning, you want to use this. So if you're in your overview and it's telling you that there's a new document, you'll want to come in here and find it and use it. But just remember, you don't have to print all this. That this is just a print as you need. So I hope this helps you in your planning for learning. Happy planning.